Welcome back to Crochet Revisited. Today I'm showing you how to finish a row and join at the corner. This is a square piece, so I will just do a couple of trebles to finish this row. And now I slip stitch these two trebles and another slip stitch right in the middle, right in the corner. So there we are. So what I used to do in the past to start the next row, do 3 chains and a treble and 2 chains, so another 2 trebles, or double crochet as they say in America, and there's your corner. But I don't like this look when you I've done skirts and dresses in the past and noticed an obvious seam running down the line, and I just don't like the look. So this is my preferred method of starting the next row, is just doing another treble and another one, 2 chains, and 2 more trebles, and here we go. Much neater. I prefer this look much better. So when you look down, they will look very neat and there's no obvious seam. So there you go. I hope you enjoy that. Bye for now.